Most business owners think they need to work harder to grow, but that's backwards. The real secret? Build systems once. Let them run forever. Think about it. What if every lead got the same perfect follow-up? What if your team knew exactly what to do without asking you? What if your business could run smoothly even when you're not there? That's not magic, that's systems. Right now, you're the system. Every decision runs through you. Every question comes to you. Every problem waits for you. But here's what changes everything. Document your process once. Train your team on it. Let the system handle the repetitive parts while you focus on growth. Systems don't replace people. They empower them. Your team stops guessing. You finally get your time back. Pause confident. This is how you scale without the chaos. Join our HPLBI's school community, plus get your free $97 Business Audit Plus guide today. Let's build your systems.